Valet Mode is a security feature in your Tesla Model Y designed to limit vehicle access when you hand it over to valets, mechanics, or anyone you want to restrict. It protects your privacy and the car's settings by limiting certain functions while still allowing basic operation. Think of it as a guest mode for your car. Enabling Valet Mode on your Tesla Model Y starts with the touchscreen. First, tap the Controls option on the main screen. Next, scroll through the Controls menu and select Safety and Security to access security settings. In the Safety and Security menu, locate and tap Valet Mode to initiate the setup process. You'll be prompted to enter a 4-digit PIN. Choose a PIN you'll remember, as it's required to disable Valet Mode later. Once you enter the PIN and confirm, Valet Mode activates immediately. The screen will show Valet Mode status, and restricted features are now limited for security. Once enabled, Valet Mode restricts several key functions to protect your privacy and vehicle security. The maximum speed is limited to 70 miles per hour or 112 kilometers per hour to prevent reckless driving. Access to the front and rear trunks, glove box, and center console are all disabled to protect your belongings. Home link functionality for the garage door opener and saved locations are unavailable to maintain security. The ability to view or modify personal data, such as contacts or media history, is restricted. Autopilot and full self-driving features are limited, though basic driving aids stay active for safety. These restrictions help balance convenience with security when someone else is using your Tesla Model Y. Despite the limitations, essential functions remain active. The driver can still drive the car, charge it, and use basic climate control features. The owner retains remote monitoring capabilities via the Tesla app, including location tracking and camera access if Sentry Mode is enabled separately. To disable Valet Mode on your Tesla Model Y, you have a few straightforward options. The primary way to disable Valet Mode is by entering your 4-digit PIN directly on the vehicle's touchscreen. Navigate to the Valet Mode screen and input your PIN using the on-screen keypad. As an alternative, you can disable Valet Mode using your Tesla keycard or key fob. Simply tap the keycard against the card reader or press the button on the key fob while near the vehicle. If you've forgotten your PIN, don't worry. You can reset it through the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone, or contact Tesla support directly for assistance with resetting your Valet Mode PIN. Recent updates have focused on enhancing security and integration. These updates are delivered over the air, keeping your Valet Mode feature up to date. PIN security has been improved, with potential biometric integration in the future. Tesla's V13 software, late 2025, added real-time alerts to the owner's smartphone app if unauthorized attempts are made to access restricted areas. Valet Mode is commonly used for valet parking at hotels or restaurants, where you can hand over your Model Y without physical keys. It's also ideal for car washes and detailing services, allowing technicians limited access while protecting your personal data and vehicle settings. When dropping your Model Y off for service at Tesla centers, Valet Mode ensures mechanics can only access necessary functions for repairs. Luxury hotels like the Ritz-Carlton have partnered with Tesla, allowing owners to hand over cars without keys, relying on Valet Mode for security. It's also used during Tesla Gigafactory events for vehicle demos, limiting access to proprietary data. Automotive security experts praise Valet Mode for its simplicity and effectiveness in protecting user privacy. Future trends point to AI-driven enhancements, such as biometric authentication and dynamic access controls based on user roles. Some experts predict it could evolve into a more comprehensive guest mode for multi-user vehicles, potentially integrating with third-party apps for temporary access sharing.